Okay, so we are going to be doing a little side design project type thing. Um, yeah, so mind it. I've been wanting more of this, so I no longer wear this like that. So I just was like, oh, this might be better as this. So we're gonna make this into this. Okay? Okay. Got it. Okay, so here we are making the pattern basically for the vest, and I pretty much sculpted out the vest that I want to make, and now I'm carefully making the darts here and connecting all of the lines of pretty much where I'm going to be sewing on the fabric. Um, this one, if I'm not mistaken, this is the the rough draft of the pattern. Because after I finish this, I'm gonna make like a freshly new one. I don't think I made a video of that, but this is like a rough draft of the pattern. I just wanted to get everything on there so I can have the measurements correct and whatnot. But it's like kind of like it's a rough draft pretty much. Um, I'm looking back and forth because I'm watching a movie. I don't know, but we watch movies or TV shows when we are fashion, like designing things or making things. But I don't know. I don't know. Multitask. I don't know. To concentrate. I don't know. Let me know, cause I don't know. I know I just do it. So you will definitely see videos of or like little snips of a cartoon or something that I was watching. Now look at Snoopy just doing all of this while I'm trying to cut stuff out. Like, can you not? He just standing. Yes, I am using my weight, literal weight, to hold this stuff down because I didn't have nothing else. But that's okay because we're gonna get it done. And what about it? So cutting out everything pretty much so I can see how it's gonna look together. And I was like kind of shocked, but I was like struggling. Like I'm like, wait, I gotta do the straps. So this is how it looks. Is it? Yes. Okay. And I pretty much pinned stuff down because this has like two layers of fabric and then it has interfacing in some of it. So I had to like pin it so it can stay. This is my favorite part. Oh my gosh, the threading the bobbin, so satisfying. But yeah, we're gonna get that threaded up so we can get everything set and ready to go. Here my shoulders in the way. I don't know why I did this angle, but yeah, I thought I could, have you guys see and look, but apparently not. So just enjoy the piece of thread that is on my shirt. Love that. All right. So I pieced two pieces on each side together pretty much. Because I have to piece the back, which will be coming up shortly. But I wanted to show y'all like, okay, so it's showing four buttons here, but it's gonna be three because I have to trim up the top part there. Yeah, as you can see, I have to trim it up because I don't know what I thought I was going with. Four, it's gonna be three. I believe I am stitching up part of the back on one of the side pieces. So that's me here doing this stitch. It's two side pieces. So let's see, let me show y'all. I don't even know. Look. Ooh, struggling to cut this little piece. Trying to show you at the same time. But yeah, this is. I was so proud of my kids. Yes. Okay, so yeah, so this is the side piece and the back piece stitched together, and then gotta stitch the other side piece to the opposite side. Pretty much. Just showing y'all how it looks. Okay. Now I stitched everything together and I did the darts. Now I'm gonna like try to do the hem and try to make it look nice and neat with the fabric that I do have. I still have to do the straps and put the button on there and whatnot. Sewing the hem at the bottom now. And yeah, I was like so happy. I was like, yes, this is working. I am doing it. Thank you, Lord. Back piece hems are done. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Stop playing with me. Yes. So yes, I think it's looking nice. But oh my gosh. When I messed up the straps fabric, I was so like bothered. Because I'm like, now this is gonna mess it up for real. You see the straps, it was nice here, but then I messed it up. I messed it up. When I was trying to iron it. I didn't know what fabric this was, and I thought it was cotton, but it's actually polyester, and it messed up the strap. So I was like, okay, I gotta make a new strap. But here I am doing. You can you see, I already sewed the straps on there because I was like just so done with that. I did not want to film that part, but I am hemming up the top part of the vest like I did the bottom. So I'm putting the pins in there so I can sew that together. And this part was very calming as well, or soothing if you want to call it. So yeah, I'm getting ready to sew this part together. Okay, so this about wraps it up. I'm doing the finishing touches, pretty much, which is the top hem part, and then I'll be doing like the buttons and stuff. But I was so over that part. So here is the finished look. I'm only gonna show a little bit because the straps was throwing me off. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to throw on my jacket, and yes, now it looks much better. So yeah, this is the overall look. It is very nice. I definitely will be doing this again in different fabric. Now, when I do it again in different fabric, I'll have more fabric, so it'll be much better with the straps. But y'all know what to do.